Tom, is that you?
Anna, I don't believe it.
Wow, hello. How are you today?
I am great. I am very happy to see you.
I am happy too. What are you doing here?
I am waiting for my plane. I am going to London.
London is beautiful. I am going to Paris.
Paris is very romantic. Is your flight on time?
No, it is not. My flight is late.
My flight is late too. It is because of the fog.
The weather is bad. It is very gray outside.
Yes, it is. But now we have time to talk.
You look very well. Your blue t-shirt is nice.
Thank you, Anna. Your gray hoodie looks very soft.
Thank you, Tom. It is my favorite clothes for travel.
Where is your luggage? Do you have many bags?
I have one small bag. It is over there.
I have a big backpack. It is very heavy today.
Let's find a place to sit. I am a bit tired.
Good idea. There is a cafe near the window.
Is the coffee good there? I need a drink.
I think it is good. They have tea and juice too.
I want a hot coffee. It is a long day.
I want a cold juice. I am a bit hot.
Look at the people. The airport is very busy today.
Yes, many people are waiting. Everyone wants to fly.
I'm glad I met you. This is a nice surprise.
I am glad too. We are very lucky friends.
Let's walk to the cafe. It is this way.
Okay, let's go. I will follow you.
This cafe is cozy. I like the small tables.
Yes, it is quiet here. Let's sit by the window.
My coffee is very hot. It smells very good.
My orange juice is cold. It is very fresh.
So tell me about your work. Are you busy?
Yes, I am an engineer. I make apps for phones.
That is very interesting. Is it a difficult job?
Sometimes it is hard, but I like my office.
I remember you like computers. You were always smart.
And you, Anna? Are you still an artist?
Yes, I am. I draw pictures for children's books.
That is amazing. I want to see your drawings.
I have some photos on my phone. I can show you.
Wow, these colors are very bright.
Thank you, Tom. I love my job very much.
You are a great artist. The children are lucky.
Do you live in the city or in a house?
I live in a small apartment. It is near the park.
I live in a house. It has a big garden.
A garden is nice. Do you have flowers there?
Yes, I have red roses. They are very beautiful.
I want to have a garden too, but I have no time.
You work a lot, Tom. You need to relax more.
You are right. This trip is my vacation.
London is a good place for a vacation. There are many museums.
Yes, and many old buildings. I want to take photos.
I love Paris museums too. The art is very famous.
We are both traveling for art and work. This is cool.
Yes, it is perfect. I am not bored now.
Me neither. Time is going very fast.
Look at the window, Tom. The sky is changing.
Oh, wow! The sun is going down.
It is orange and yellow. It is very pretty.
The airport looks different now. The lights are coming on.
I like the evening. It is a peaceful time.
Yes, it is very calm. We are just sitting here.
Do you think the fog is gone? I can see the planes.
I think so. The sky is very clear now.
That is good news. I want to see Paris tonight.
You will see the Eiffel Tower. It has many lights.
Yes, it is very tall. Have you seen it?
No, I have not. I only saw it in photos.
I will send you a photo. I have my camera.
Thank you, Anna. I will send you London photos.
Is London a big city? I think it is huge.
Yes, it is very big. There are many red buses.
I like red buses. They look very traditional.
I will take a bus tomorrow. It is fun for tourists.
Are you a tourist or are you a businessman?
I am a bit of both. I have a meeting tomorrow.
I hope your meeting is good. You are very professional.
Thank you. I am a bit nervous about it.
Don't be nervous. You are a very smart man.
You are very kind, Anna. You always help me.
We are old friends. Friends help each other.
Yes, we are. I am happy we are here.
The sun is gone now. It is getting dark.
The terminal is very bright. Let's stand up.
Okay, my legs are tired of sitting.
Let's walk and look at the shops.
Anna, wait. I have something in my bag.
What is it? Is it a secret?
No, it is a game. It is travel chess.
Oh, I remember this game. We played it at school.
Yes, we did. Do you want to play now?
I'm not very good. You always win, Tom.
I will be slow. It is just for fun.
Okay, let's play. I will choose the white pieces.
Okay, I have the black pieces. Your turn first.
There, now it's your turn.
That is a good move. You are very clever.
Thank you. I am trying my best today.
I move my horse here. What do you do?
Let me think. This is very difficult.
Don't hurry. We have 30 minutes.
Okay, I moved this piece. Is that a mistake?
No, it is a strong move. I am in trouble now.
Really? I'm winning?
Yes, you are. You are a secret chess master.
This is very fun. I forgot about my flight.
Me too. Games make the time go fast.
Oh, look at your face. You are very focused.
I want to win, Anna. I am a competitive man.
I know you are, but I'm winning today.
Okay. I see your plan now.
It is a good plan. I learned it from a book.
You are a smart student. You learn very quickly.
Thank you, Tom. This is a great game.
Oh, look. The board is almost empty.
I think it is a draw. We are both good. Tom, listen. The woman is talking on the speaker.
I hear it. Let's look at the big flight board.
Where is my flight? I am looking.
Here it is. Flight to Paris, gate number 5.
It says boarding. That means I must go now.
Look, my flight to London is here too.
Gate number 10. It is also boarding.
We are leaving at the same time. This is perfect.
I am very excited now. I am ready to fly.
Do you have your passport? Check your pocket.
Yes, it is here. I have my ticket too.
Good. I have my passport in my hand.
Don't lose it, Tom. It is very important.
I won't. I am a very careful person.
Is your gate far? My gate is near.
No, it is close. We can walk together for a minute.
I have my bag. It is not heavy now.
I have my backpack. I am ready for London.
Are you happy you met me? I am very happy.
Yes, Anna, it was the best part of my day.
Mine too. It was a very special meeting.
I will miss our conversation. You are a nice friend.
I will miss you too, but we can talk on the phone.
Yes, we can text every day. I will send messages.
Good. I want to hear about your conference.
And I want to hear about your book.
Okay, it is a deal, Tom.
Look, there's your gate. Many people are there.
Yes, I see it. It is gate number 5.
Okay, let's stop here. This is the place.
Well, this is it. I am going to Paris.
And I am going to London. Have a safe flight.
Thank you, Tom. You have a safe flight too.
I will. I will call you tomorrow morning.
Okay, I will be in my hotel then.
Enjoy the French food. Eat a big croissant for me.
I will, and you drink a cup of English tea.
I will do that. I like tea very much.
You are a good man, Tom. I am glad we are friends.
You are a great woman, Anna. You are very kind.
Don't be late for your plane. Go to your gate.
I'm going now. It is just over there.
Goodbye, Tom. See you very soon.
Goodbye, Anna. Have a great trip.
I will. Write to me.
I promise. I will text you from the plane.
Okay, I am walking into the gate now.
I see you. You look very happy.
I am. This was a wonderful day.
I agree. It was a perfect coincidence.
Bye-bye, Tom. Take care.
Bye-bye, Anna. Be happy.